Introducing arrays in Excel. So an array could be a column of cells or a row of cells, or actually just a block of cells. So for example, I could come over here just as a quick example, array formula, and say, okay, here's these items. Now notice this is the same size. I'll do Control Shift Enter and enter those and say, well, that's not a big deal, and that's certainly not. But we can also, like, I could multiply that by 2, and notice I've still got that whole block of cells here highlighted. Again, Control Shift and Enter. Okay, multiplying everything by 2. Or for example, just hitting F2 here to edit again. I still got all these highlighted. I could actually, instead of multiplying by 2, could multiply by another array of the same size. Again, hit Control Shift Enter. Right. So you can do a number of things actually, in addition to operations, mathematical operations. Actually, I could in fact do the following. So equal sign, and we'll point to that array, and I could indicate, okay, which one of these is greater than, or how many of them are greater than, say 5. And again, I've got the same size here. Okay, Control Shift Enter, and it actually is kind of a logical test there. Okay, so those that were less than or equal to 5, we got a false. Those that are greater than or equal to 5, we got a true. So you can imagine that might come in handy in some cases. All right, and again, it could be a block of cells. So for example, if I can, let's say it's 3 by about 5 or 6 or so, I could actually pull all these at the same time here. Okay, went down to one line too many, so we got the NAs there. Right. Okay. Do notice in terms of, I'll go ahead and delete that. In terms of doing any editing, you cannot edit a single cell. So if I wanted to change that, say divide by 2 or something like that nature, I'll get an error if you cannot change part of an array. So if I wanted to make any changes, I'd need to highlight the entire area there. So again, divide by 2, Control Shift Enter. All right. So that's just a quick introduction here to arrays.